What's up everyone, this is Russian Sidekick here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make Russian blini or crepes, whatever you want to call them. We call them blini. So it's super easy, simple. You can make it for breakfast. You can fill it with anything inside after you bake them. And let's just jump into it. I'll show you what you need for it. For this recipe I usually combine water and milk, so we're gonna have 1.5 cup of milk. I'm just using 1% milk. You can use whole milk if you want. Then 1 cup of water. Then we have 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of oil, and 2 eggs. And 1.5 cup of flour. You can use a spoon, you can use a fork, you can just use a whisk if you want. I'm gonna use my mixer. Because we have all of the flour on top, we don't want to start really fast. We just start slow and then we're gonna go faster. I'm gonna stop it for now, and I'm just gonna grab my spatula and make sure that all the flour that is on the walls here going to combine well with the liquid. So, and then I'm gonna turn it on for a few more minutes just to make sure that all of the flour crumbles are dissolved. Okay, I think it's good. Let me show you how it looks like. So I'm gonna use this half a cup here. This should be really liquid and smooth, just like that. And let's go and fry them. I'm gonna use the medium-sized pan here. I'm preheating the stove. You should go a little bit more about the medium, or other way you're gonna burn them. After it's warm, we're gonna drop one there. So I'm gonna take a half of a cup here and just pour it to the center, and then spread it evenly, covering all of the surface here. And then put it back and wait while it's dry, and then we're gonna flip it. When you see the edges starting coming out here, so you can actually take it and flip it, just like that. It's nice and beautiful. This size is good, and then I think it's ready. You can flip it, you can see it's ready. Then you just drop it on the plate, grab another half of a cup, spray it really fast. It's a lot hotter now. You can see that not all the flour crumbles are dissolved. It's okay, it's not gonna affect anything. It's gonna taste as good as always. Since the frying pan is a lot hotter now, it goes a little bit faster. So you just, when you see when you see it's done, then you just grab it, flip it, and then you just repeat until you run out of the liquid butter. I don't know how you call them. You run out of the liquid blini, and then you can, I'll show you what you do with them in the end. It is, as I said before, it's a really simple recipe, and you can make them and you can eat it plain with Nutella. You can eat it with jam, or you can wrap meat inside. You can wrap cottage cheese or fruit. It all depends on your creativity, and it only takes like 30 minutes to make. So you can make it for breakfast. You can make it for your date, I don't know. If you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you. Good luck with the blini.